Hey everyone, Joe here. Last week we had a Kaizen event in Shop B Fabrication. We were having issues locating our miscellaneous brake shapes, steel, gaskets, and fasteners. With the help of senior management and our maintenance department, we were able to fix this problem as well as create a checklist and new ways to train our operators so that they would be better educated in our machinery. Once we put our heads together, we wrote down the issues. Once we had all the issues on the board, we then went out to the Gemba. We noticed that there was 3 different locations that Kaizen was being placed at. We wanted to have the brake shapes in one, the gaskets in another, and the fasteners all in another place. We looked outside the building and we noticed that there was a lot of unused and wasted space. There was damaged material, scaffolds, and tree racks. Once we decided where we were going to place all the items, we immediately got to work. We cleaned up the areas, got rid of all the damaged material, tree racks and scaffolds, and opened the crates up for Kaizen. We broke it down and labeled out all the different brake shapes so they were easy to grab, easily to see, and just easier. We were also able to remove a non-working saw that was over in Shop B. We cleaned it up and used a unused saw from Shop A in its place. We also upgraded our issue boards. We now have a schedule, production issue, and maintenance issue place, and also a got it column, so that way anybody can come by, see what the problem is, and help if they can. Another great improvement was these checklists for our operators to check off their daily maintenance. We also removed the fence from a quadra. There was a lot of wasted space inside this area, and we were able to utilize it with some pallets that we needed for Kaizen. We also labeled our fastener racks and had them setting inside there. We also created a new labeling thing for our tree racks with the help of John Yates. You can see here we labeled what's on the tree rack, and when the guys need them, they pull it off and cross it off. This has been a foolproof way in making sure we know what's on the tree rack at all times. With the help from operations, we came up with a shop use by pallet list to help identify the miscellaneous parts needed for the upcoming pallets. Now the event was over. We walked around with senior management and all who participated in the group, showing them all the wonderful things that we've accomplished during this past week. Thank you, Walters and Wolf. Now it's time to work smart and not hard.